Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. Here to show you guys another unboxing video of the Nintendo Switch accessories. So this time round, okay, is the Nintendo Switch Pro. Right? So the reason why I get this is because I noticed that for Diablo 2 Resurrected, right, one of the character, which is a Necromancer that I like to play, I think I feel more comfortable playing on Switch, right, because of the control function, the control, right? So, but unfortunately, I feel that the Switch, the current Switch that I have, if I want to play on my TV screen, it's a bit small, right? So that's why I decided to get this, right? So, and I got this, I think, at a pretty good price. I think I get it for around 70 Sing dollars. So I believe it should be high 50 to mid low 50, 60s USD, right? So without further ado, guys, I know a lot of people have already unboxed this, but I just want to share with you guys. If this is the first time you've been to my channel, so I want to share with you guys my purchase, right? So without further ado, let's do it. Okay, so this is the Nintendo Switch box, right? So maybe I should show you the box itself, right? It's pretty small from initial impression, I think, right, when I look at it. Okay, so this is it. I think it's pretty simple, that's all. Right, so box itself, okay, right? So this is the, the recycled card box, right? So this is the cable, USB-C cable, right? Charging cable, right? So I'll just put it here, and warranty, right? That's all. Okay, so let's jump right into the control itself, right? Okay, so initial impression is I thought from the images, right, it looks quite big, but it's not really that big. Okay, but it feels very comfortable, right? Of course, the benefits, the plus side is it has bigger button for me to press. Okay, so here it is. Okay, overall quite tactile, right? I like it a lot, right? Smaller than I thought, but I think it's still okay. It has a lot of feature, guys. I think you can scan your amiibo stuff here, right? So this is the Pro controller, but if I'm not wrong, there's a few version of this controller. Okay, so the price varies. So this is the Pro version where it has all the features that you look out for, but those cheaper version but looks exactly the same, those doesn't have any amiibo function, if I'm not wrong, right? So do check it out, ask the seller before you purchase, right? So I got this from the Nintendo Switch official store, so I don't think there's any when it lists as Pro controller, so I believe that everything will be included, so unless dated wise, right? So overall the whole feel of this is very high quality, right? So I think this is recommended for someone, okay, if you want to play on the bigger screen on the dock mode. All right, so this is something that you should consider, right, to make your gaming experience more enjoyable, right? So that you don't have to squeeze with those small little buttons right there, right? So yeah, that's it. I just want to do a quick unboxing video to show you guys what is this, these accessories that I bought, right? I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, do subscribe to my channel if you have not, right? If you some of the videos that help you, right? So any subscription to my channel is really appreciated. So till then, right, do keep a good look, watch out to my other videos coming up, right? So I hope you guys stay safe and have a nice day. Okay, bye.